In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix PDF files opening in Google Chrome instead of your preferred PDF reader. If you'd rather open PDF documents in applications like Adobe Acrobat Reader instead of Chrome, you can change the default app in just a few steps. To get started, locate any PDF file on your computer. Right-click the PDF, then select Open With, followed by Choose Another App. A list of available applications will appear. Select your preferred PDF reader, such as Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you don't see it in the list, click More Apps. If it's still not available, select Look for another app on this PC, then browse to the installation folder of your PDF reader and choose the application. Before clicking OK, make sure to check the box labeled Always use this app to open .pdf files. This tells Windows to use your selected application every time you open a PDF. If you don't see the Open With option, you can also right-click the PDF and select Properties. In the General tab, locate the Opens With section. Click Change, choose your preferred PDF application, then click OK followed by Apply. After saving the changes, double-click any PDF file to confirm that it now opens in your selected PDF reader instead of Google Chrome. If you prefer to keep Chrome as your default PDF application but want PDF files to download instead of opening in the browser, open Google Chrome, click the three-dot menu, select Settings, then go to Privacy and Security and Site Settings. Under Additional Content Settings, open PDF documents and enable Download PDFs instead of automatically opening them in Chrome, if the option is available in your version of Chrome. That's how to fix PDF files opening in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.